Watching. So these are the kind of things he looks for. Oh yeah. So these are all the things he looks for.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza. Guys, today we are looking for a table and chairs. So we've been
a table with 6 chairs.
He's very specific, it has to be 6 chairs, and I'm very specific about the kind of style that I want. A few months ago we did a furniture vlog where we were just looking for furniture in Kingston. We didn't pick up anything there. We're starting our search in Ocho. I'm very particular about the kind of style of table that I want. I don't want anything kind of old-fashioned, and that's what I keep seeing. So I'm gonna have a little look and see. So at the moment we've just pulled up outside Singers in Ocho Rios. So I'm gonna have a look in there, see what I can find. Yeah, see what happens, guys.
Thin skin about everything, people. Give him the tea and the children. No, so I believe I got to her. You can't
say that. I have a preference. There's that's a difference.
I'm just saying thin skin about everything.
Please.
So we just leave everything, make it do everything you do.
Alright.
We're not doing prayers, man. I'm trying for this.
Singers. You see, hi. Oh, I can't make it happen. Not too bad.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi. Afternoon. It's not too bad, is it? Is this the only? Okay, thank you. Not too bad. There's this one. See. What do you think, people, about this? Not bad. I need something with grey in it, and it's got the grey that I'm looking for. I know what Outlaw's going to say. I know exactly what it's going to say. Oh, you can get this made and they use better wood and it's stronger. But not bad. Not bad. How much is it? What's CASHAPP for GCT? Spot cash for GCT. What's spot cash mean?
Video, right away.
Is this a... Oh, this? What's regular price? So it's got regular price as well?
Spot cash.
No, there's 2 different prices. Spot cash, not GCT. Spot cash with GCT. And regular price, including GCT.
Yes.
See? No, that's without GCT. And spot cash. So what's the price? Do you understand?
Yeah.
So people, I'm not sure what it is. If it's... Yeah, what is that one? Okay, there's this one as well. One of those high tables. I quite like, and it's got the colour that I want, grey. Still just trying to work out the difference between spot cash and regular price. So I'm going to have to ask someone. But that's the prices.
Nice,
So this is one of them high tables. It seats 6. That's quite nice. But that's quite good.
This nice, huh?
And I think also it takes up less space because it's not so long.
Yes. Square.
It's more square but higher. I quite like this.
Yes.
Yeah, I quite like that.
It's
nice.
Square,
Hi. Okay, so there's some more around here. No, we're not looking for a round table. Oh, no, not a round table. We're looking for. No, I don't think there's anything else around here that. Yeah, I do like that one actually. I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna go back. This one.
Yes.
Yeah, this is kind of caught our taste now.
Yeah, man. This is
not what I came to look for. This wasn't even the style that I was looking for, but it does.
You can take one more to the side.
The thing with Outlaw, right, is this. He don't really like to come to these kind of stores because he likes to get his things made. because he would say, oh, you know, a man can make it from cedar wood and this kind of different wood, and they make it better quality than the shop. So me, who's probably more used to, you know, in foreign, you just go to the store, you pick up your table or you pick up your little cabinet or whatever.
I understand that. I understand that.
Yeah.
You can't go understand that.
But you always say to me, oh, it's always better to make a man make it for you because it's going to be better quality and it's going to last longer.
Everybody knows that's something they go.
So, I don't know.
Yes, that's something they go.
But I like this.
Bless it.
I like this.
Yeah, nice one, nice one.
This is good.
Yeah, nice.
So yes, people, we just come from Singers. I saw 2 tables. Well, we saw 2 tables that we liked. I like the second table better, the higher table that seats 6. That was probably my favorite one in Singer.
One thing is a 4 chair and a 6 months.
No.
Well, 6 chairs. I'm saying can hold it. Okay, you're right.
6 chairs.
Yeah, man, 6 chairs.
We worked out what the difference with this was. It spot cash and all them and regular price.
Yeah.
It's if you're taking it on credit, if you're taking it on finance and you're paying off little. But the actual price was the actual price is the spot cash price, isn't it? With GCT, that's the actual price. Yeah. So we're gonna go to Courts now and have a look and see what we can find. But first, I'm so hungry. I need to make a stop. I'm going Juicy Beef to go and buy my chicken patty, people.
Yeah, once the fancy stay at Java and you say hungry people, you know what she's for. Yeah, you know what she's for.
Yeah, so.
Why is she up on the road and she's hungry?
Yeah.
You don't know where she's heading to.
Patty stop, yeah. Okay, next up, Courts in Ocho again. So we're going to go and see what table and chairs we can find in there. Yeah. So. Yeah, not a fan of any of these kind of wooden look. Not seeing anything here.
Nah.
This, I don't mind the design. I don't mind the design of this.
Yes?
But yeah, but you're knocking, Halo's knocking the table like. No? Alright, how much? What's this? 100 cash price excluding tax. So with 132.99. So with tax, how much is it? See there at the bottom. 152.949 with tax.
With tax?
Yeah.
Down below?
Yep. See, that's the full price. Without tax, with tax. Yeah, it's not the best one I've seen, but it's the best in here. This is just another one. I like these chairs.
Yes.
I like the chairs. Yeah. The thing people that I want. Watch him. These are the kind of things he looks for. Oh yeah. These are all the things he looks for. I want the chairs upholstered. I do want them upholstered though, or tufted. I don't want the necessarily just like this. Yeah.
It's fair enough.
But other than that, this is all they have. So Courts is a bit of a letdown. Nothing here that I like.
This thing on top of it.
Yeah. Nothing here. So this is similar, but it's high table but only 4. Yeah.
You feel good thing on it?
You're not feeling this one?
No, sir.
No, Outlaw's not feeling this one.
Thin.
Too small as well.
Thin, about thin, a little small thing.
Yeah.
But then put there.
Not solid enough.
Yeah.
People, we're meant to be looking at tables, and look where this guy is. Look where he is. Looking at music things. Anything to do with music. He may not be in the music industry anymore, but the music never leaves him. Look at him. Concentrating hard as well, you know. Watch him. Table. We're meant to be looking for table and chairs. See him there? See him there? Babe. We're meant to be looking for table and chairs.
You never know that's something to go.
What is looking at?
This system.
System. Audio systems. So what does this have to do with table and chairs?
I don't know table and chairs. This have to listen to table and chairs sit down and eat around.
But that's what we're looking for today. Put on your mask, please.
That's not it.
Put your mask on. Thank you.
What's wrong with these, eh? What's wrong with this?
No, look, babe. Look to your heart's content. That's alright.
What's wrong with this?
Keep looking. That's fine. Look, babe. Look.
Every time I try to do something where me is concerned, she distract me.
What?
It's a music, man. And I'm trying to put the musical
Alright, go on. Do your musical thing together then. Come, go on. So yes guys, we just come from Courts, but Courts really didn't have anything at all. Nothing that I could even say, yeah, that's a contender.
Nothing whatsoever.
Yeah, and then the stuff they did have, as Outlaw says, it's not, the quality of it is not good.
No good.
Thin and unbalanced, fragile.
Yeah.
So Courts, no. We're gonna go to St. Anne's Bay now. There's a few furniture shops down there. So we're gonna go and check.
The main one we're going to down here.
Yeah, main one. Yeah. So we're gonna go down there and see what we can find. So the best thing so far I've seen is in Singers. But let's see what Courts. And of course there are people that make furniture as well. So we might check a few people out that make the furniture as well and see kind of what price they come up with for the designs we're looking for. So off to St. Anne's Bay. That's really what I'm really looking for, really. What I'm really looking for. It's a bit thin. For me. No.
Stool.
Yeah. Look at it. Kitchen stool. So we've just come out of the shop in St. Anne's Bay. I can't remember what it was called.
Don't mind that furniture.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, the name of it. I can't remember what it's called, but no, nothing there. No, and they do make things, right? So someone's going to call us back, and I gave him a picture of kind of something that I'm looking for. So we're going to wait. Where are we going now? Back to Ocho. There's a couple of more shops in Ocho, Blingers, and a couple of other furniture shops all next to each other. So we're going to try them and see what we can find. But yeah, Singers so far is the best thing that I've seen.
It's the coolest thing of my life.
Yeah.
We're not seeing more yet.
So we're going to try Blingers in Ocho and a couple of other shops there and see. So we're back in Ocho. There's Quick Bargains there. There's the Gordon Centre, and then there's Blingers. There's Blingers. Bargains Paradise, and then there's Blingers. This is Blingers here. So they're all furniture shops. So we're going to see if we can find anything in them. From Blingers and some of the other stores next door, nothing at all. Nothing at all. They didn't have anything, so I didn't even bother to
one more place
film in there. Alright, so Outlaw's just saying he knows of one more place.
Yeah, one more place.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh yeah. Across the road, yeah. Alright, we've got one more place. So we just went to someone that we know makes furniture. He actually made our beds, isn't it? Yeah, he made our bed. He did a really good job actually.
Yes, man. Nice,
yeah. But we've been to his workshop, he's not there. So maybe we're gonna have to come back.
And we are trying to find to compare the prices and different things about
because if we can find someone that can make it similar to what we want, compare the price that Outlaw says and see, innit?
And getting somebody make it, we think it's a better furniture to go and get.
You always say this.
Yeah. Anyway, take it a better quality to go and get from when you get in the store. Anyway, take it.
Yeah.
That's a better quality.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm gonna try to find him and think about it.
Yeah.
Look like.
We'll have to try again another day.
Yes, maybe I've got to check it back.
But so far, the one that we saw in Singers, the high table, that's the one that we kind of, if I can get someone to make that, which we can get someone to make it, but just to get to the price comparison and then see, So yeah, that's it. So guys, we'll keep you posted on what happens with our table, whether we get it from Singers, whether we get it made. I will update you, and of course we'll let you know the cost and how long it takes to make, if we get it made, how long it takes to how long it takes to make if we do get it made. The only other place that we might find something, a table, is Kingston. We can't go to Kingston right now.
Everything is Kingston.
Everything is in Kingston. but we just have to work with what's closest to us, isn't it? So
if you want something special like that, you don't go down for that.
Yeah.
Because you got to spend money to go for that at all.
True.
And then spend money to buy the one that.
Yeah, and to bring it back up.
Yes.
Yeah.
You got to spend the money there.
Yeah.
So if you especially want, you just want a nice table on your place, you can get it from all the place, man.
So yeah, so guys, we'll keep you updated. We'll definitely keep you updated and let you know what happens. Yeah.
That's impressive.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.